These cookies are so good. Whenever I am stressed, I love to bake and enjoy these cookies. Are you ready to start baking my best cookies with me? Oatmeal cookies? Let's start baking. Yeah, babies. Add 3/4 cups of sugar in this measuring cup. Then add 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 3 tablespoons of baking powder to your flour. Put your flour and baking powder into a bowl. Add some baking soda as well. Add some cinnamon to your flour. In your mixing bowl, add half of butter. Add your sugar to your butter and let's start mixing. Let's add some more spices, vanilla. Now let's add our dry ingredients, our flour with our cinnamon, and fold in properly. It's time to add our main ingredients, old-fashioned oatmeal. Lightly fold in all your ingredients together. Now let's add some almond butter. You could also add peanut butter if you wish. In my oatmeal cookies, I would love to add sliced almonds. Sliced almonds are optional. I also like to add raisins. Let's scoop this batter into this grease baking tin. Make sure you have enough space. We are all done here, and now it's time to bake these in the oven for around 20 minutes. Oh yeah, these cookies are done. It's time to take these cookies out. From these cookies, I always love the aroma from these cookies, guys. So we're gonna be checking, they're hot right now. My oatmeal cookies are done with a glass of milk. I could taste almond butter, my raisins, my sliced almond, my oatmeal. Guys, this sure will de-stress me. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Yummy.